Start by treating the mirror like a window to the whole bathroom and commit to a clear method that prevents streaks. Use a high-quality microfiber cloth because its tightly woven fibers lift oils and residues without leaving lint behind. Spray a dedicated glass cleaner or a mixture of equal parts distilled white vinegar and warm water onto the cloth instead of directly on the mirror to avoid runoff that pools at the frame. Work from the top edge down in overlapping vertical strokes to move contaminants away from already cleaned areas and follow with horizontal buffing motions for a uniform finish. For stubborn spots from toothpaste or hard water deposits, apply a small amount of baking soda to a damp microfiber corner, rub gently, then wipe the area with the vinegar solution and dry immediately. Keep a separate dry microfiber cloth for final buffing and use light circular motions around the edges where halos form. Maintain mirrors by wiping them once weekly and immediately after any heavy splatter events to reduce buildup that causes streaks. 3 common mistakes are using paper towels, which leave lint and cause tiny scratches. Switch to microfiber and avoid abrasive scrubbing to protect coatings. Another issue is oversaturating the mirror, which creates runoff streaks along the bottom edge. Control liquid by spraying the cloth, not the glass, and dry as you go. A third problem is uneven drying because people stop before buffing. Always finish with a clean dry cloth and check from multiple angles under the room light to catch faint streaks. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and local contractors around projects like keeping bathrooms looking pristine and professional. We help contractors find work and homeowners find potential partners, and we also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.